There she is.
Oh, hiccup now.
There she goes. Let's go on the Kaz. There's another one. Yeah. Yo. Oh. Oh.
Have you stopped?
No. They haven't. They will never stop. The hiccups will never stop. There they go. Listen to this fucking nonsense. Can we have some? Okay. Can we have some wine when we get back to your space?
Yes.
Or can I? Look.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
No, I'm just going to send it to Steve.
Hiccup and girlfriend. It could be the new phenomenon.
Or I might get it mixed in with one of our songs. Get it mixed in with one of our songs on. Alright, calm down, sweet. I'm trying to fucking talk. Get it mixed in with one of our songs on Monday or whenever the crap I'm meant to be down there for mixing. Then Maz will go. Boob, it's brilliant. Yeah, we should have this on all the songs. And Colin will go, no, I don't want multiple copies of the songs out there. No, because that's how he talks.
Oh, that's it. Let's just carry on now.
Here, Kaz, hiccup. Damn, that could have been so good. Here, Kaz, hiccup. Oh, shit. Yes. We'll use that. I want to play a game.
No. That's nasty.
No, that's a speed bump. You sap. Babe. Eagle Wharf Road. Baring Street. I'd love to be with a bear around here. Baring Street. Come down here, sell out of Hiccups. Get our trumpet.
Is that run out of juice yet?
No, it's got an hour on it. I love this phone. This is why Steve told me to get this dog. Because it's so funny.
Now I was going to watch this and listen to this, like, past 10
Well,
seconds.
Steve will, bearing in mind the shit he's made me watch on his fucking dog. This is us on a night out. Look how drunk we are. It's boring. Go! And with that, we're signing off. Say goodnight, Caroline.
Night, Caroline.
I'm going to wait till they get last. There we go.